The Electronic Financial Transactions Act, what is it about? The key point of the proposed amendment to the EFT Act is opening up the market for payment as a service to tech companies like big tech and non-bank financial institutions like credit card companies. Payment services refer to payment processing services provided through bank checking accounts, such as cash deposit and withdrawal, salary transfer, and utility bill payment. Most advanced economies opened their digital payment markets early on. Major tech firms, such as Alipay and Revolut, started as payment service providers and expanded into other financial services like banking and financial investment, building on the customer information and funds from payment processing. Then, what impact would this opening have on the Korean financial service customers? Recently, customers are coming under a heavier burden from the growing bank loan deposit spread. If more payment service providers enter the market and compete with banks to bring in more demand deposits, these funds held by banks will decrease. KDI took a closer look at this. The analysis shows that when banks lose 1% of demand deposits, their interest rate goes up by 0.29 percentage points. However, the loan deposit spread of banks shrinks as a result. Banks can raise lending rates only so high because competition is already fierce in the lending market. Put it simply, the benefits of invigorated competition from diversifying payment service providers go to service users. There will be negative consequences of the amendment as well. Depositor protection does not apply to payment service users since customer funds are not regarded as deposits under the relevant law. If a payment service provider has a solvency issue, its customers will not be fully protected. Instead, the user funds are protected by requiring service providers to adhere to safeguarding measures, such as segregating customer funds in a separate third-party bank account or purchasing guarantee insurances. However, it seems like these protective measures are not enough. Take the case of the UK. Despite its advanced payment processing system and safeguarding requirements, firms in crises mixed user funds with their working capital and other funds, or diverted funds from new users to pay existing users. Some of them even defaulted. Moreover, unlike bank accounts, payment service accounts do not provide interest, which is unfavorable to customers. Many users do not know that their payment accounts are different from bank deposits. Also, it should be noted that if a provider is found incompliant with the safeguarding requirements, these customers take priority over the claims of other creditors in the reimbursement process in case of insolvency. But the existing creditors may be adversely affected as their dividend payment is delayed. Then, what should be done to prevent such adverse impacts and drive digital innovation in financial services at the same time?
지급 서비스를 개방하되 부정적인 영향을 해결하기 위해서 이용자 자금을 예금으로 인정하고 예금자 보호를 적용해야 합니다. 예금자 보호를 적용하더라도 사업자가 이용자 자금을 위험 자산에 투자하거나 유용할 가능성이 있기 때문에 이용자 자금의 별도 예치는 여전히 필요한데요. 별도 예치의 방법으로는 중개형 예금 방식을 긍정적으로 검토할 필요가 있습니다. 중개형 예금 방식은 각 이용자가 은행에 별도 예치된 자금의 주인이기 때문에 예금 이자가 이용자에게 지급된다는 점에서 이용자의 후생을 높이는 효과가 있습니다. 또한 중개형 예금의 수신 주체는 은행이므로 기존의 예금 보험료 부과 체계를 그대로 따르면 되기 때문에 제도의 실행 가능성이 높고 사업자 역시 예금 보험료를 부담하지 않기 때문에 수용성이 높을 것으로 보입니다.